Bloomington Chief Hodges here. I just wanted to come to you and provide you with some information because we've been getting a lot of calls. Some of you may have seen the incident that took place between federal law enforcement and citizens within the city of Minneapolis. So I just wanted to provide you with some basic information first and foremost. In order to conduct federal immigration enforcement, you have to have what's called Title VIII authority. We do not have Title VIII authority here in the city of Bloomington. Federal entities, up until recently, a lot of them did not have Title VIII authority. So the FBI, ATF, DEA, till this administration came into place, did not have Title VIII authority to enforce immigration law. So in order to enforce immigration law, you need to have Title VIII authority, and we do not have that here at the Bloomington Police Department. So we do not enforce immigration law. The federal law enforcement agencies, ATF, Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms, FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation, DEA, Drug Enforcement Administration, HSI, Homeland Security Investigation, IRS, U.S. Marshals, under this current administration has formed one task force. This task force essentially goes out and they can do narcotics warrants, go after really violent offenders, deal with human trafficking, but they can also deal with immigration enforcement. So when you see these folks in the community doing activities, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're out here doing immigration enforcement. Now, in the city of Bloomington, outside entities such as the federal government, the county sheriff, and the state of Minnesota come into our community and execute law enforcement actions, and they don't tell us what they're doing, right? I mean, they have a right to do that because Bloomington is within the county of Hennepin and within the state of Minnesota and within the United States. But sometimes we don't get a heads up for what they're doing. So if you see these folks out here, it doesn't necessarily mean that they are conducting immigration enforcement action. The other thing I want to address is people talked about the outfits that people were wearing, the federal officials were wearing when they were executing these warrants. We've been getting calls from people when our units are out executing narcotics warrants and high-risk warrants within the city of Bloomington, asking if this was part of a federal law enforcement action or if we were doing immigration enforcement. And the answer is no. Now, this is the uniform that our officers wear. So when we are out executing high-risk search warrants, those involving narcotics or those who are human trafficking or those who are involved in significant criminal activity, that is what we're doing. So if you see these, this is us in our city, your police officers out here doing what we need to do to keep our community safe. Now, you may have also seen the city of Minneapolis publicly put out that they would not go assist federal officials without command staff approval. And there's like I'm not going to get into the whole litany of what they put out, but I just want to reiterate something here clear in the city of Bloomington. If a law enforcement officer calls us saying that they need assistance, we are going to help them. Meaning if an officer is in distress, we are going to help them. This does not mean that we are going out here and enforcing immigration law because, like I said, we do not have Title VIII authority. We do not have the legal authority to do that. But if our federal partners are here and they are calling for assistance because they are in distress, we're going to help them. Just like if our state partners are here and they're calling for distress, we're going to help them. If any of our other local partners come into the city of Bloomington and they need help and they're in distress, we're going to help them. So I just wanted to get this out here so people understood kind of the lay of the land and everything that's taking place. And just to reiterate, we do not have Title VIII authority in the city of Bloomington, so we are not enforcing immigration law because we legally do not have the authority to do that. And I'll just close on this. We got a lot going on right now, both nationally and locally. but we cannot have people assaulting our police officers or our federal partners, whether you like what they do or not. That's not appropriate. These folks go to work every day protecting our communities, and I would just ask people to give them the dignity and respect that they deserve for doing the job, even if you don't agree with what they're doing. They have a really tough job out there, and every single person that does this job is a human being. So with that, Bloomington, we'll see you back here soon.